We're really looking forward to welcoming everybody to the 2016 International Peanut Forum. It's going to be held in the beautiful city of Madrid in Spain from April the 13th to the 15th, so a couple of weeks after Easter, and we very much hope you'll join us there. The last Peanut Forum was in 2014 and there were some very interesting topics and themes discussed there. We'll obviously continue those discussions in 2016. We'll be covering lots of issues that are topical for both manufacturers and suppliers from around the world. There are a lot of opportunities to network with your customers and suppliers. There'll be receptions where you can enjoy meeting with them in a casual atmosphere over a drink. The panel discussions at the IPFs are always a very popular events, and I think really the most popular session that we have is the supply and demand panel from around the world, where we have manufacturers talking about their needs and we have suppliers from the top producing countries around the world giving their thoughts about what their crop will be like and what the future will be.
The IPF this time has been a bit of an eye-opener because there's been a lot of information about various crops, and I've got a very good goal now in my mind how the market will develop.
I will encourage them to come because the networking here is amazing. There are too many opportunities to network, meet people from different parts of the world that talk peanut and everything about marketing peanut to the science to the grown is all in here.
We are here because here is the place where all the peanut world is joined together, to make some business and to talk about the future of the industry.
The hotel we've chosen is close to the centre of Madrid. You'll have lots of opportunities to visit the local bars and restaurants and nightlife. And for those interested in football, we're only 5 minutes away from the Real Madrid Stadium. There'll be lots of information about the 2016 International Peanut Forum available on the website soon, and links will be sent out shortly. You'll be able to book your hotel and also register for the event. We really look forward to seeing you there.